Hello and welcome to the CAD source with AutoCAD Civil 3D. Let's start by importing points and creating point groups. Go to Home tab Points, then Point Creation Tools. Click on Import Point. Select Point File. Specify point file format. Click on Add Point Groups. Give a name to create new point group. Now our points are imported in a new point group. Every point has point number, elevation, and description, which is a little messy here, so that we need to resize the text of these values. For the said purpose, select any point, right-click, and go to the Point Group Properties. In Point Style. Change the marker and decrease it a little to make it visually better. Then go to the Point Label Style. In the Layout Point Description, change the text height. Then point number and point elevation. After that, we see the appearance is still messy. Go again and reduce the gap between point number, elevation, and description. You can still manage as per desire. Thank you for watching this tutorial.